DTAs are among the most powerful tools for legally reducing global tax exposure. If you're expanding across borders, investing internationally, or structuring intellectual property income, DTAs are essential. At their core, DTAs are treaties between countries that determine how tax is applied when income crosses borders. Imagine a company based in Kenya sending dividends to its holding company in Singapore. Without a DTA, Kenya might apply a 15% withholding tax on those dividends. But thanks to its DTA with Singapore, that tax could legally drop to just 5%. That's a direct saving of 10% on every distribution. And when you're dealing with millions in capital flows, the impact is significant. So, how do businesses use DTAs to structure their global operations more efficiently? Let's break it down into a simple three-layer model. A strategy often used for capital repatriation from emerging markets while staying compliant with international tax rules like BEPS and substance requirements. Layer 1 is your operating company, based in an emerging market, say Kenya, India, or Vietnam. This entity is where the business activity happens. It earns income, pays local corporate tax, and when it distributes profits to a shareholder abroad, it triggers withholding tax. This is where the DTA kicks in. Layer 3 is the ultimate parent company, usually situated in a tax-neutral or low-tax jurisdiction, like the British Virgin Islands, the UAE Free Zone, or the Cayman Islands. This is where profits finally land after flowing through the intermediate holdco. These jurisdictions offer near zero income tax and excellent asset protection. And finally, with global transparency rules tightening, many DTAs now include exchange of information clauses, allowing countries to share financial details. That's why your structure must be clean, compliant, and commercially justifiable. In summary, using DTAs about aligning business flows with treaty networks, tax regimes, and international compliance. When done right, this approach not only reduces tax, but also strengthens your global operational presence and credibility with investors. Whether you're setting up a fund, managing IP royalties, or expanding operations into new markets, mastering DTA structures is a foundational part of international business strategy.